Product line: AMD Ryzen 5 desktop processors. Former codename: Summit Ridge. Number of CPU cores: 6. Number of threads: 12. Max. Boost clock: up to 3.6 GHz. Base clock: 3.2 GHz. 1 lira cache: 576 KB. 2 lira cache: 3 MB. 3 lira cache: 16 MB. Default TDP: 65W. Processor technology for CPU cores: 14 nm. Unlocked for overclocking: yes. CPU socket: AM4. Thermal solution: PIB. Wraith Spire: no lead. Thermal solution: MPK. Wraith Spire. Max. Operating temperature: max. 95 degrees centigrade. Launch date: 4/11/2017. OS support: Windows 10 64-bit edition. RHEL x86 64-bit. Ubuntu x86 64-bit. Operating system OS support will vary by manufacturer. Connectivity: PCI Express version. PCI 3.0x16. System memory type: DDR4. Memory channels: 2. System memory specification: up to 2667 MHz. Graphics capabilities: integrated graphics. No. Supported technologies: AMD Zen technology. AMD Zen core architecture. AMD Ryzen master utility. Virtualization. NVIDIA's Views drive for AMD Ryzen. AIS. AVX2. FMA3.